Hi students, now the second part, the previous JEE question. Previous video we have discussed few questions, previous JEE question. Now the continuation part. This is a very important. Okay, the question number is d by dx of capital F of x equal to e power sin x divided by x. If integration 1 to 4 3 by x e power sin x cube dx equal to f of k minus f of 1, then one of the possible value of k, option A 16, option B 63, option C 64, option D 15. Yes, this is given here. We have to find this. Okay, integration of 1 to 4 3 by x e power sin x cube dx equal to f of k minus f of 1. This is they have given. To solve this, let x cube equal to t, then 3x square dx equal to dt. Understood? 3 dx equal to dt by x square. Substitute here, lower limit, if x is 1 then t is also 1 cube, x is 4 then t is 4 cube, 4 cube how much? 64. Yes, 64, and 3 dx equal to dt by x square. Here already x is there, e power sin x cube is t, 1 to 64 e power sin t dt by x into x square, x cube equal to t. This is e power sin t by t dt. This is function. Understood? So this is equal to d by dx of f of x. 1 to 64, change the variable, comes this is equal to d by dx of f of x. So d by dx of f of x means derivative integration cancel f of x. So limits 1 to 64, which is equal to f of 64 minus f of 1, equating with this f of 64 minus f of 1. What is the k value? 64. This is the answer. Next, integration of minus 2 to 3 mod of 1 minus x square dx, mod of 1 minus x square dx, mod special function we should eliminate. What is the turning points of this? 1 minus x square equal 0, x square equal 1, x equal to plus or minus 1. Okay, minus 1 also there here, plus 1 also there. So we have to split minus 2 to, let me verify like this whether it is even or not. Minus 2 to plus 2 mod of 1 minus x square dx plus 2 to 3 mod of 1 minus x square dx. Let me verify. Here both are same interval, same limits and having opposite sign. Then let me verify whether it is even or odd. Even, because 1 minus, in place of x write minus x whole square is plus x square only, so which is equal to even. If it is even, we can write 2 into 0 to 2 into 0 to 2 mod of 1 minus x square dx. Understood? Here 2 to 3, this is the negative, 2 to 3, 2.1 more than this, so negative comes. So minus 2 to 3 1 minus x square dx. In this 0 to 2 there are positive and negative there, 0 to 1 and 1 to 2 also there. So 2 into integration of 0 to 1 1 minus x square dx plus 1 to 2 mod of 1 minus x square dx minus 1 integration is x square integration x cube by 3 limits 2 to 3. Here this is 0 to 1, if you take this is more than that, so positive, this is negative, right? 2 into 1 minus x square, 0 to 1 1 minus x square dx is a negative, 1 to 2 1 minus x square dx. Apply upper limit, 3 minus 3 cube is 27 by 3 9, lower limit 2 minus 8 by 3. 2 into 1 integration is x minus x cube by 3 limits 0 to 1, x minus x cube by 3 limits 1 to 2. Simplify, you will get the answer here, minus 6 and minus 3 into 2 6 minus 8 minus 2 by 3. Simplify, this is your, do yourself, you will get the answer. I is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 sin x plus cos x whole square by root of 1 plus sin 2x dx. Here in place of 1 write sin square x plus cos square x. This is 2 sin x into cos x. So 0 to pi by 2 sin x plus cos x whole square and root of sin x plus cos x whole square. This get cancelled here. In 0 to pi by 2 this is positive both. So 1 of the sin x plus cos x here get cancelled dx. So sin x integration minus cos x integration sin x, limits 0 to pi by 2. Apply upper limit, minus cos pi by 2 is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1, lower limit cos 0 is 1 0. So answer is 1 plus 1 is 2. Next one is integration of 0 to pi x into f of sin x dx equal to a into 0 to pi by 2 f of sin x dx. Then a value, option A pi by 4, option B pi, option C 0, option D 2 pi. Yes, if it is x is there means we have to eliminate x. X is equal to 0 to pi x into f of sin x dx. By property 0 to pi, in place of x write pi minus x f of sin x dx. 0 to pi into f of sin x dx minus this into this is I only, it is I plus I, 2i pi into 0 to pi f of sin x dx. 2 comes here, 2 comes here. So I is equal to pi by 2 0 to pi f of sin x dx. Now 0 to pi is there, pi by 2 is there, here 0 to pi. Again we have to reduce this interval, 2 into 0 to pi by 2 we can write. Use 0 to 2a formula, f of 2 pi by 2 minus x means pi minus x, sin pi minus x sin x, so f of x only. When this is f of 2a minus x equal to f of x, then 2 comes here, I is equal to pi by 2 into 2 0 to pi by 2 f of sin x dx. This get cancelled. Tell me, compare with this, what is a pi? What is a pi? Next question is f of x equals e power x by 1 plus e power x. I1 equal integration of f of minus a f of a x into g of x into 1 minus x and dx. G of here x into 1 minus x dx. And I2 equals integration of f of minus a and f of a g of x into 1 minus x dx. Then the value of I2 by I1. Then the value of I2 by I1. Yes, this is they have given. We should apply property in place of x sum of the limits minus x. Tell me sum of the limits. F of a plus f of minus a value we want. Yes. Let me find first this value f of a e power a by 1 plus e power a, f of minus a e power minus a by 1 plus e power minus a, right? E power a by 1 plus e power a, this is 1 by e power a, 1 by e power a. So e power a by 1 plus e power a, it comes here, e power a get cancelled, 1 by 1 plus e power a. Numerator denominator get cancelled, one answer, one value. This is equal to 1. So let us use property I1 equal integration of f of minus a f of a. In place of x, right, sum of the limits minus x. Sum of the limits value 1. So 1 minus x into g of x is 1 minus x, 1 minus x, 1 minus x, x dx. Splitting here, integration of f of minus a f of a, 1 into this g of x into 1 minus x dx minus f of minus a f of a integration minus x into g of 1 minus x into x dx is I1. X is I1. This is I1. Transpose this side. I1 plus I1 is 2I1 equals f of minus a integration f of a minus a 2 plus f of a g of x into 1 minus x dx equal to I2. This is I2. So we want I2 by I1. 2 is equal to I2 by I1. So the answer is 2. Next question is, f is from r tends to r, be differentiable function having f of 2 equal to 6, f dash of 2 equal to 1 by 48, then limit of x tends to 2 integration 6 to f of x 4t cube by x minus 2 dt equal, okay. Here option A 36, option B 24, option C 18, option D 12. Understood? Yes. How can find this? F of 2 value given, f dash of 2 given 1 by 48. If you put f of x is equal, put x is equal to f of 2. F of 2 means 6. Lower and upper limit is 0. The whole is 0. 0 by 0 form. So this is, can I write like this? Limit of x tends to 2 integration of 6 to f of x 4t cube by x minus 2. Because these t limits, these are x variable. We can take out here. So okay, this we should apply L'Hospital. Use L'Hospital. right? How to apply upper limit? 4 into, in place of t, right, f of x whole cube into upper limit derivative f dash x. Next, lower limit is 0. Denominator derivative is 1. X derivative with respect of x is 1. So put x is equal to here, limit of x tends to 4 into f of 2 whole cube into f dash of 2. 4 into f of 2, 6 whole cube. F dash of 2, 1 by 48. Simplify. Tell me, 4 into 6 into 6 into 6 by 48. 6 8 ja, 8 6 ja, 48. 4 2 ja, cancel. 6 3 ja, 18. This is the answer. Next one, I1 equals integration of 0 to 1 2 power x square dx. I2 equals integration of 0 to 1 2 power x cube dx. I3 equals integration of 0 to 1 2 power x square dx. I4 is integration of 1 to 2 2 power x cube dx. Then option A, I1 greater than I2. Option B, I2 greater than I1. Option C, I3 greater than I4. Option D, I3 equal to I4. This type of inequations if comes, don't find the integration, just observe the value. Here x square, here x cube. Interval is 0 to 1. X is lies between 0 to 1. In 0 to 1, what is the difference? What is the difference between x square and x cube? Which is the big? You take one number here, 0.1 whole square and 0.1 whole cube. Which is the big here? This is. Because it's a 0.01, here 0.0001. Yes? So this is the bigger than this, so greater than. And apply power here, 2 power x square greater than 2 power x cube. Then which is 2 power x square integration is I1 greater than this is I2. So I1 greater than I2. A option is right. I1 greater than. Similarly, you can verify this also. Next question is integration minus pi to pi cos square x by 1 plus a power x dx. I said one formula in previous video during the CET coaching, integration minus a to a f of x dx by 1 plus or minus either e power x or a power x. In that case, the answer is integration of 0 to a f of x dx. This is most important here, either e power x or a power x. 1 plus or minus e power x or a power x, here f of x. Tell me this answer by using this formula, 0 to pi cos square x dx. Okay, 0 to pi cos square x integration. Use property again, reduce 2 into pi by 2. Cos of 2 pi minus square is positive, it comes same thing, 2 comes down, 0 to pi by 2 cos square x. And during CET time I said the shortcut for this. Okay, if you forget shortcut, you can use formula 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Okay, shortcut I am going to following 2 minus 1, 1 by 2. If it is 1 by 2, multiply by pi by 2, get cancelled. This is the answer, pi by 2. A option is right. Next is limit of n tends to infinite 1 by n squared secant square of 1 by n squared plus 2 by n squared secant square of 4 by n squared plus so on 1 by n secant square 1. Option A 1 by 2 cosec 1, option B 1 by 2 sec 1, option C 1 by 2 tan 1, option D tan 1. This is also limit. Use limit as a sum. Limit of n tends to infinite. First n square 1 n take common here 1 by n. Then tell me 1 by n already taken common here 1 by n. Secant square of 1 by n square plus 2 by n secant square of 4 by n square. Right? This we can write 2 by n whole square also. So on 1 by n here we can write n square by n square n by here n square. Here we will get 1 by n if you take common in 1 means n by n. Secant square of 1 means n by n. So limit 1 by n, limit of n tends to infinite, summation of 1 2 3 r by n, variable 1 2 3 where r is equal to 1. Secant square 1 2 3 means r by n whole square up to r is equal to n. So 1 by n meaning is dx, stand for this is integration, lower limit always 0, upper limit is coefficient of 1. This is r by n is x, r by n also x into secant square x square, secant square x square. This is how to find, you know, let x square equal t, then 2x dx equal to dt, change the limits here 0 to 1, x dx is equal to dt by 2 and secant square t, secant square t integration tan t, limits 0 to 1. So 1 by 2, apply upper limit tan 1, lower limit is 0. So 1 by 2 tan 1. This is. Next, the value of integral 3 to 6 root x dx by root of 9 minus x plus root of x dx. Tell me the answer. This type of questions we have discussed. Integration of a to b f of x dx, f of x plus f of a plus b minus x, which is equal to b minus a by 2. Tell me b 6 minus 3 by 2. Answer is 6 minus 3, 3 by 2 answer. Okay, if you forget that formula, let this is I. Once again I am going to explaining concept based on concept. Use property in place of x, write sum of the limits 6 plus 3 9 minus x. Here 9 minus x get cancelled, root x plus root of 9 minus x dx. Add 1 and 2. So left side 2i, 3 to 6, numerator and denominator cancel, will get 1 dx. Integration of 1 dx is x, limits 3 to 6, 6 minus 3, which is equal to 3. 2 comes that side, I is equal to 3 by 2. Next, integration of 0 to pi x into f of sin x dx equal a pi into 0 to pi f of cos x dx, b pi into 0 to pi f of sin x dx, c pi by 2 0 to pi by 2 f of sin x dx, d pi into 0 to pi by 2 f of cos x dx. Okay. I said if x is comes no, eliminate x. Here there is no x. Okay. How we can eliminate? By property. I is equal to 0 to pi x into f of sin x dx. Use property 0 to pi in place of x, right? Sum of the limits minus x. Pi minus x. F of sin pi minus x is sin x and dx. Pi integration of 0 to pi f of sin x dx minus x into f of sin x dx is equal to I. Transpose this side, I plus I equal to I 0 to pi f of sin x dx. So 2 comes this side, pi by 2. Equating here, pi by 2 0 to pi f of sin x dx. No. Then again reduce the power here. This is 2 into pi by 2 f of which is in the form of 0 to 2a. 0 to 2a means f of 2a minus x. Sin of pi minus x is sin x f of x. When it is satisfied, 2 comes down here, pi by 2 into 2 0 to pi by 2 f of sin x dx. This is get cancelled. Now check the option. Pi into 0 to pi by 2 f of sin x dx. Pi into 0 to pi by 2 f of cos x, not here. This last option is sin x. It is both given same here. It is not cos x sin x. So this is the right. Pi into 0 to pi by 2 f of sin x dx. Understood?